Good morning and welcome to the Vidyuu Essentials template world. I am so excited to get to show you this today. Starting us off over here, we've got this avatar emoji that will cycle through some fun emojis. Over here we've got the boombox. You can turn it on, skip song, so good. Change your avatar size, the carousel, which you can turn off and on at this pedestal with that button. And we have a Ferris wheel. Over here we've got some swimming and splashing. Always fun to go swimming and splashing. Oh, a microphone. I've got extended audio. I've got microphone off. If I click the R key on mobile, I can change it to global. Very neat. We've got continuous rotating fans here. You can change the color of the fan blades and the fan housing. So good. You can also turn them off and on. You can apply continuous rotation to anything that needs to spin. So good. Motion over time is included, so you can easily make things move, rotate, and scale. And we've got the message cycler that allows you to cycle different messages. And it supports all sorts of properties. So good. Light switches to turn lights off and on. Gonna love that. Don't forget the rainbow windows. There is one that is one-sided and one that is double-sided. Flashlight. Whoa. Oh, is that a wand? What can I do? Oh, okay. Lots of things you can do with the wand, including fireworks. You can hit people. Be careful with that. You can hit objects. Lots of fun with that magic wand. Respawn script. Respawn scripts are always amazing. You can attach them to anything, like this bouncy ball. Next up, we've got the player data and player stats, which is so phenomenal for making video games. You're going to need that. And then you've got a longest daily streak leaderboard that allows you to see who's been in your world the most consecutive days. We have a player stats, so you can see your stats, including I visited 11 days, my visit streak is at 4. How cool. Time of day, this cycles the skybox and changes the lighting. Here we've got a fireworks launcher. You can use fire sword. You can slash it and use flame all over the place. We've got doors that open. Very good. And even sliding doors. Oh, and a hot tub. Absolutely. Having fun in the hot tub. A little water fountain, which can be turned into a water feature. Very good. So cool. You'll notice we've even got the continuous rotation running on the water there. Definitely recommend trying this trampoline out. It gets higher and higher the longer you spend on it. And we've got pets that can fall. Whoa. No, I'm taking the butterfly. Butterfly's all mine. And over here, there's a portal with a random teleporter, or you can specify where it teleports you to. And over here, we have continuous motion, where you can jump on this platform and it moves. It's got lots of properties on the properties panel. And is that a slideshow? Well, yes, it is. This slideshow is pretty neat. And you can cycle through the slides, you can put it on automatic, you can go backwards, so very cool. And of course, curtains, so you can, this is amazing. Awesome, guys. Okay, with that, I have to say goodbye. Thank you so much for joining us. We will see you in Horizon. Bye!